So based off what I seen from the Air Jordan 1 UNC toe drop, these next two Air Jordan 1s that we're about to be getting might be a definite problem as well. We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tapping in to yet another banger from your boy DEVINTAGE. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, come tap in, smack that like button, drop a comment or two down below, chopping about what we love, man. Sneakers. We love talking about sneakers every day, and we love to know what's new and what's relevant about the sneaker community. So like I said, I appreciate you guys for tapping in. And I was gonna wait to record a video. I know you guys hear my voice is like completely gone. You guys know we just had a crazy epic fight, Terrence Crawford versus Errol Spence, and just know your boy was actually like into that fight. Needed that win from Terrence Crawford, and we got it. So that was super dope to experience and watch greatness. But if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Every like counts, every comment counts, helps the channel grow. You guys know we still trying to grow together and hit that 100K as a family, man. I hope y'all ain't click out the video yet. I'm just hearing myself, talking. It just hurts, what I'm saying, hearing it, and it hurts talking, bro. And before we jump into today's video, today's topic over these new Air Jordan 1s that we're about to get, these early Air Jordan 1s, I want to put you guys on to Kinetic Kings, man. I know you guys probably seen me do a bunch of videos with Kinetic Kings, and they have some of the best shorts on the market right now, have some of the best styles in my opinion, and some really, really good quality. It goes perfect with your sneakers, you feel me? So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of the shorts that they did send over. And throughout me showing you guys these shorts, I want you guys to use the code DEVINTAGE and go shop with Kinetic Kings, which will be linked down below. Got some good packaging right here. I'm gonna pull out a couple to show you guys, man. I really love these shorts. I rock them on a day-to-day basis, bro. They're so comfortable. And here goes the first pair right here. Super nice, super clean. We got another crazy pair right here. I think this is my favorite one that I picked out on the site right here. Like I said, you guys can go shop with Kinetic Kings right now using my code DEVINTAGE and save on these super crispy shorts, man. I'm loving them. And then for the last two they sent over, man, I'm really digging these. I know a perfect pair of kicks. I go with this one right here. Like I said, man, Kinetic Kings is based out of California. They've been popping for the last couple summers, man. I really love their shorts, really love their designs. You guys use my code DEVINTAGE to save on your entire purchase. But look at these Last Supper shorts, super dope. All right, guys, so here we have them. The next couple of Air Jordan 1s that we have lined up from Jordan Brand. You guys see we have the black toe Air Jordan 1s, bro. These things is so clean, so crispy, and I still haven't laced them up yet. I'm not holding off on you guys. I really just can't wait to do it on feet. I just don't know what's stopping me, bro. Like every time I come into the man cave, the sneaker room, I look at these black toes and I say, bro, these things gonna be a problem. And that's what's kind of, made me drop this video today. I don't think it's gonna be as easy as some might think, just based off what we've seen with these Air Jordan 1 UNC toes, bro. They sold out everywhere, and I was expecting to walk into the mall the other day and see some pair, a lot of pairs floating around, and I honestly did not. They let pairs go after a couple of days, and bro, I didn't see any UNC toes in my area. It might be different for you, so if you guys have the UNC toes sitting in your local malls, your local DTLRs and stuff like that, please let me know down below in the comment section, because bro, I definitely see these things rising in resale value. I definitely think the hype was there for these UNC toes, and I definitely think they're gonna be there for the black toe lows along with the Palomino Air Jordan 1. Now these right here, seen a lot of people talking about it over on Threads and on Twitter. People really liking this. They feeling the colorway, they feeling that mocha vibes. A lot of people calling them the Travis Scott lookalikes, and usually when you put anything that looks like Travis Scott, they're going to do numbers. They're going to have, a lot of hype on a sneaker. That, like I said, that's why I'm dropping this video today. I don't think it's going to be as easy as some said it would be. There's a quality on these joints, the material. I think this joint right here is probably it's up there as far as Air Jordan 1s. I don't know where to rank these two. I told you guys I'll pick the Palominos over the UNC toes. But having them both in hand, it's still kind of hard to choose which one. So real quick right now, down below in the comment section, you guys let me know which one you're rocking out with more, the Palomino Air Jordan 1s or the UNC toes. Now I know some people are like, yo, Why are they only showing them 2? They probably really rocking out with the black toe lows more than both of these sneakers I just mentioned, the UNC toes and Palominos. It's all up for debate. It's all up for discussion, and that's what we're on YouTube for today, so I can get you guys honest thoughts and opinions over these 2 upcoming Air Jordan 1s. The main reason why I think the black toes will be like slightly more of a problem just because it is an Air Jordan 1 low. They typically don't seem to produce a lot of lows from the past. Like you guys know, we got the UNC Air Jordan 1 lows, we got the Bread lows, Chicago lows, and all them joints do numbers. Now we have another, OG colorway in the black toe dropping in a low top version, and the quality, the leather, like all the hits on this sneaker kind of, screams off OG. Like they didn't know shorthand these joints that they did the Air Jordan 1 low black toe SEs. They gave us the OGs. These things is looking clean. These things are looking crispy. And who's to know when we ever gonna get a black toe low again, let alone an Air Jordan 1 black toe high. And then leading to the Palomino Air Jordan 1s, you guys know people are still mourning over that huge L from the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. And me, I'm one of them people, like, bruh, I was so mad about the Mocha drop. Like, it was just so crazy. Could not find a pair. People's on like 350, 400 out the gate. I'm like, bruh, like they just dropped, y'all already trying to charge 400 for these things. And yes, they were, bro. I went to a sneaker event. Everybody wanted like 380 plus. I'm like, bro, these things is not all that. They are a dope sneaker. Don't get me wrong. Just know me. I'm in the L side of the game. You feel me? I took a huge L. Couldn't get them. So the Palominos is, the next thing up. Especially if you don't want to spend $400 or $500 on the Air Jordan Mochas. That's why I think these things right here are gonna do crazy, and they're not gonna be as easy as we think they will be. But even given that, you guys know if you put in your footwork, you put in your leg work, you hit up all your stores, you know what I'm saying? You go, to the store of the release date, even if you don't get on any, flex like Champs and Foot Locker, any confirmed dubs on sneakers, you still gotta go there on a release date. You might can walk out with a pair. Just like me, Air Jordan 3 Palominos or the Orwell Browns, I didn't have any confirmed W's that day or the day before. Like I literally had to wait till the next day to see if people had pairs left over. They do it weird here, but I feel like a lot of backdoor happening where I'm at right now, but that's neither here nor there. I still end up coming out with a pair, but some people be like, yo, they doing first come, first serve. Then if you call them, they say, oh, we raffle them off. And you go in there and it's like a line of people buying sneakers. So you just gotta be on your P's and Q's, know a couple people, start chopping up with the managers, and you will definitely be good as far as, securing these pairs, getting these W's, paying retail for the J's that you want, man. So yeah, man, last final verdict, last final vote, Air Jordan 1 Palomino or the black toe. Which one you rocking out with more? Which one you gonna think do more numbers? Which one you think gonna be more hyped? For right now, I definitely think it will be the Palomino, just given the fact that the Mochas were just so crazy. And they don't look like the Mochas, but they resemble the Mochas, if that makes sense. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Again, make sure you guys go check out Kinetic Kings. Some of the dopest summer mesh shorts on the market right now. A lot of dope designs. I only showed y'all about a couple of them. They have a bunch more on their website, which I'm gonna link down below. Use my code DEVINTAGE to go shop with them. Get right. We still got some summertime left for the year. You know what I'm saying? Step out looking real clean with the mesh shorts from Kinetic Kings. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. Please be a huge like. And again, sorry for my voice. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.